Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is belongs in RØDE family, the wireless micro ultra compact wireless microphone. So this one is available for two microphones and one is a receiver. I'm purchasing this one for C port. They are introducing two types of microphone. One is a lightning cable and second one is a C port. So look at this, for USB-C device is available inside this box. So now we can do unboxing here. This product price here in Copenhagen, Denmark, I'm purchasing this one 1099 Danish krona. Look at this here, the website are showing currently the price. So now we can open the box. Here and this side as well, and open it the box and boom. So inside the box, so look at this guys, we receive, this is our product, main product, and inside the box again we can see here nothing special. Okay, inside the box we receive magic booklet, and that's it. Box is empty now. This magic booklet here, the filter available, and one C to C. You can use this one specially in charging point of view. Now we can open here our main product. This is our product. Inside the box we receive two types of mic and one is a connector. So you can very easily connect this one. For example, suppose you have an Android phone, so you can very easily connect this one. And after that, look at this, the light is showing here but not connected any kind of microphone here. So I just simply remove this one and this one as well, and let's see. So here is a charging is not available, otherwise one light is showing here, so we can charge here first. So of course the charging is not available for this device. If the charging is available, so here the light is showing, look at this here, the now is on, and look at this here, one is directly without blinking is connected. It's very easy, and here the very amazing product they are providing. You just simply use this strong magnet and use your collar, your cap, and any other places. So you can record at a time 2 person using this product, and that one is really amazing. One of the important points come here, this is a charging case as well. If you have MacBook or iPhone, so you can very easily put it here, the C type charging port, and charging is going on here. That is the beauty of this product, and it's very compact and lightweight. If you have, suppose for example like AirPod, so this is a AirPod and the size similar kind of same, so you can very easily carry other places, and it's really nice. So here if you want to use this filter, so it's easy to fix this one as well. Look at this here, now is fix properly like this, and we can fix another one as well, so like this. And you can use this one during the wind also, in outside, connect your iPhone and use this product. That one is really amazing features. So this is a simple unboxing. Next video I will provide you detailed review which types of features and which types of output we are receiving after using this product. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.